Data breaches and hacks are leaking data all over the internet. Credit card information, social security numbers, medical IDs, financial records, web accounts, usernames, passwords, and much more. 30% of adults in the US are victims of identity theft and as a result have lost roughly $2 billion. Thankfully, with IDStrong, you don't have to be in the dark about your information's whereabouts and security. IDStrong monitors billions of records on the dark web and beyond for your sensitive personal information. We will monitor your identity and alert you if we detect that your information has been leaked or breached. IDStrong also alerts you about suspicious credit inquiries, loans, and changes we uncover while monitoring your credit profile. We will also monitor your property and alert you if we detect a change of address or ownership. If you experience identity theft, our fraud resolution will help you restore your identity. If your wallet is lost or stolen, we will assist you through the recovery process. Rest assured that if you fall victim to identity theft, you are covered by insurance that pays up to $1 million of your identity restoration expenses. Take control of securing your identity. Start your free scan by visiting www.idstrong.com.